Hi everyone, welcome back to Prakasham Tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about example of mean ergodic process. Let n of t be a zero mean Whitesand stationary noise process for which Rnn of tau is equal to n naught by 2 del of tau, where n naught is a finite constant. Determine whether n of t is mean ergodic. Coming to the solution, a random variable x is said to be mean ergodic if variance of x is equal to 0. So given that the random process n of t is zero mean Whitesand stationary Whitesand stationary noise process. So that is expectation of n of t is 0, and as autocorrelation function is given that Rn of tau is n naught by 2 del of tau, where n naught by 2 is greater than 0 or n naught greater than 0. Here del of tau is the impulse function. The impulse function exists at tau is equal to 0. So we know that the variance of n of t is given by variance of n of t is equal expectation of n square of t minus expectation of n of t whole square. So given that the expectation of n of t value is 0, therefore variance of n of t is equal expectation of n square of t. So now here n square of t is written as n of t into n of t, so which is equal expectation of n of t into n of t. Since the definition of autocorrelation function of the random process is Rn of tau is equal to expectation of n of t plus tau. So now here substitute tau is equal to 0, we get Rn of 0 is equal to expectation of n of t into n of t. So now here expectation of n of t into n of t is variance of n of t. So therefore Rn of 0 is equal to variance of n of t. So given that the autocorrelation function is Rn of tau is equal to n naught by 2 into del of tau. Now we will substitute tau is equal to 0. Rn of 0 is equal to n naught by 2 into del of 0. Second to the definition of the unit impulse function, unit impulse function exists at tau is equal to 0. So that is del of 0 is equal to 1. At tau is equal to 0, del of tau is equal to 1. So therefore Rn of 0 is equal to n naught by 2. But Rn of 0 is variance of n of t, which is equal to variance of n of t. So therefore now here variance of n of t is n naught by 2, n naught by 2. So the variance of n of t is not equal to 0, not equal to 0. Therefore n of t is not mean ergodic random process.